is my show, so I'm being in that capacity right now.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी, आप बताएं. Look at
Ab-
you, pretty
Are you
girl.
switching to your other role?
Should I?
Yes.
Okay, I should. I'm switching already.
Yeah.
Okay, so should I ask you a few questions? Let's say while we are getting ready. So today is our BCW Day 2 show with one and only.
You're asking as if you're asking, no? Do I have a choice?
Do I?
I
have
don't
a
think
choice? Okay, so Urva, she's show stopping for Raja Salauddin, and look at her. She's looking pretty. We're almost ready.
Yeah, almost
Almost.
ready, है ना Hussain?
Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
Almost ready. We'll explain the look, also the whole feel of it, and what we were thinking before. We going back and forth. But this time around, I think you came to know really last minute about the look because you already decided it.
I didn't decide it. I always trust what you have
Yeah,
decided.
that's true.
So it didn't take us longer because I just went with what he was thinking already and what Hussain was
Yeah.
thinking already.
Yes.
So I know I'm in safe hands and I don't have to think much.
Okay, Urva, first question. Right before you step onto the ramp, what's the one thought you consciously choose to carry with you?
What I consciously choose to carry with me. So, okay, let me get there. So I feel like right before getting on the ramp, I usually try and connect with myself. And with that, the conscious thought that I have usually is the fact that if I'm well connected with myself, I'm going to be able to connect with the audience as well.
Oh, nice.
And considering a person who's had stage fright since forever,
Yeah.
I think that's really important for me. And that's how I step on.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you treat the ramp as a performance, a conversation, or a personal ritual?
I would say all three, I guess,
Hello?
because it is a performance and that is how I look at it. But I feel like then it turns into a conversation, a quiet one, of course, with the
Yeah.
audiences. And then eventually I feel like it's sort of a personal ritual as well, in a way. Who's there?
I don't know.
In a way that, I feel like it's a personal ritual in a way that it's a moment where I also get to celebrate myself and how far I've come.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all three.
Okay. What part of yourself do you leave behind before walking out, and what do you amplify?
I leave behind all the noise that's happening in my head and all the self-doubt. I leave that behind. And a little bit of me being scared also, I leave behind that fear. And once I step onto the ramp, I feel like I do try and amplify the connection that I have with myself, the self-confidence, and and trusting myself. That is what I amplify.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, बड़े हम पता BBC उर्दू कह रहा BBC English हो गया बहुत. But yeah, has your relationship with confidence changed over the years, or it has been the same? As we were talking about the confidence also, like
I would
stage
say
fright.
it has definitely changed in a way. Like I said, I've been a person who's had stage fright since forever.
Yeah.
Like even when I was in school and I always liked going on stage, giving speeches, doing skits and tableaus and stuff. But I remember moments when I would, freeze on stage, and like your next move, your next step is blocked, or your tongue is completely locked. You can't even
Yeah.
say the next word. So that is how I remember stage fright, and it was quite bad. And it would just come very surprisingly and very unexpectedly. So I didn't know how to handle that. But as I've grown, I think my relationship with confidence and with myself has improved quite a lot. And I feel like I think I know how to kind of put that away, and I've learned my way through it. So yeah, it's still there, but I try and not let anyone else find that out.
Okay. Urva, this question is very I think you might know the answer really well. Okay. What's today's walk title should be, and if चलो movie है ये एक, right?
ठीक है.
So इसको नाम देना आपने आज के walk को.
हाँ. नहीं movie है.
मतलब
movie
movie
नहीं
है
है,
या
but
कोई title
I can
देना.
say what I feel about it. I would say that I can call it a celebration of myself, Urva
Nice.
Hussain, because it being a part of the show really reminds you of how far you've come
That's
in your career, what's the work body that you bring with yourself, how people welcome you when you walk onto the stage. So yeah, we're not stage people, right? We're usually behind the camera,
Yeah.
and we're not really interacting with the audience that much
That's true.
face to face. So this kind of a show lets you do that, and yeah, I would call it a celebration of myself.
Amazing.
Yeah.
पता है ये देखिए जरा, she's stopping the show and she's having fries before the show.
Yeah, that's me celebrating. Okay, guys.
this is what fashion looks like.
Yeah.
Inside. अच्छा, so हम इतना starve नहीं करते वैसे अपने talent को. This is I'm telling you this. ये देख खाना पड़ा हुआ है अभी भी हम सबके लिए, so we are all eating. So has there ever been a moment on the runway that quietly changed you?
Yes.
Oh.
I think the first time I got through with the feeling where I'm feeling the fright and I'm like walking onto the stage, the first time I got over it and I was able to step above it and walk onto the stage, I think that is something that definitely changed for me while I kept on doing the stage things, you know.
Okay, last two questions जो मुझे संडे टाइम्स ने भेजे हैं. मतलब मैं मेरा संडे से कोई वास्ता नहीं है लेकिन संडे टाइम्स ने मुझे भेजे हैं. अच्छा, is there a piece of clothing you have worn that felt like armor?
That felt like armor.
Yeah, even if for example, any of your red carpet looks that you felt like, oh my god, I'm just, you know.
Zanvi, I would take this metaphorically in a way. I think my costumes are an armor for me always. When we have to play a character, that costume is like an armor for you because you feel safe inside it as a character that you're portraying on screen. So I feel like all the costumes that I've taken up for all the characters that I've done.
Amazing. Acha, or Hussain is busy listening to voice notes when we are having an interview. Hussain, पर focus करें please.
Yes, guys.
हमारा Hussain Babar. Yeah, Hussain Babar is busy because he was somewhere else before this. Acha, how do you balance the designer's vision with your own presence? I think that's very important.
I mean, it's always very important to strike that balance because, of course, when you take up a show like this, you are portraying the designer's story.
That's true.
And there's no other way about it.
I love the hair.
But I try. Thank you.
I love the makeup too. This is how things happen behind. मेरा उसका कसर चल रहा होता है हमेशा.
क्या बात कर रहे थे? हम compliments में निकल गए.
Sorry.
क्या था, हम क्या बोल रहे थे?
कि डिजाइनर का विजन और आपकी प्रेजेंस.
हाँ, so I was saying that there's no other way about it. We have to bring the designer story onto the ramp.
Yeah.
But of course, I try and bring my truth to it, and I think the collaboration of that kind of brings magic on stage, and I hope it does, inshallah.
And we can't wait for you to walk the ramp and have the. You know, she always slays on the ramp, so I'm excited this time around as well. But before we wind this up, of course, she's gonna change right now because hair is done, makeup is done. She's gonna change.
And we gotta rush.
And हम जाएंगे backstage क्योंकि messages आना शुरू हो गए already. And before that, हम आपको आखिरी look जरूर दिखाएंगे. सबसे पहले संडे पे exclusively. Bye.